Every man dreams of building that thick, wide, and deeply cut chest. A chest that doesn't just make you look strong, but transforms your entire physique, balancing broad shoulders and giving you that powerful V-shape of masculinity. But here's the frustrating truth. Most guys spend years training chest every single week, and still end up stuck. No matter how hard they push, their chest refuses to grow. They hit plateaus, repeat the same mistakes, and watch their progress stall. That ends today. In this video, I'll reveal the 6 deadly mistakes killing your chest growth. And then I'll give you the 6 brutal exercises that finally transform your chest into a 3D armor plate of power. Mistake 1. Limiting the range of motion. Your chest only grows when fully stretched and fully contracted. But the barbell bench doesn't allow this. Dumbbells and cables fix that. Mistake 2. Not training all chest fibers. Your chest has upper, middle, and lower fibers. A flat bench alone leaves you looking flat and unfinished. Mistake 3. Letting shoulders and triceps take over. If they fatigue first, your chest won't grow. Retract your scapula, elbows at 45 degrees, and focus on mind-muscle connection. Mistake 4. Ignoring the eccentric phase. Lowering the weight with control can boost muscle growth by up to 40%. Mistake 5. Wrong bench angles. Too steep and shoulders take over. Too flat and your upper chest stays weak. The sweet spot? 30 degrees incline. Mistake 6. Training with ego, not technique. Stop bouncing the bar and jerking movements. Control beats weight every time. Now that you know the mistakes, let's fix them with 6 brutal chest exercises that actually build size and power. Exercise 1. Incline dumbbell bench press. The king of upper chest builders. Set your bench at 30 degrees, lower slow, squeeze at the top. Exercise 2. High pulley crossover. Perfect for carving out the lower chest line. Control the motion. Cross hands below the waist and squeeze hard. Exercise 3. Machine fly. The ultimate chest finisher. Stretch deep, squeeze hard, control every rep. Exercise 4. Low pulley crossover. The secret weapon for the upper chest. Pull cables upward to chin level and squeeze. Exercise 5. Weighted dips, chest version. Lean forward, elbows flared. Stretch deep and push through the pecs. Exercise 6. Dumbbell pullover. The old school classic. Expands rib cage, adds width, and gives your torso that powerful frame. There you have it. 6 mistakes to avoid. 6 brutal exercises to master. Follow this blueprint and your chest will finally grow wider, fuller, and stronger than ever before. Remember, anyone can throw weights around, but only those with discipline and technique build a chest worth admiring. Subscribe now, because next up, we're unlocking the ultimate back workout for a complete V-taper physique.